How to change Binance password. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your Binance password. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first step is to open up your Binance app. From here, tap on Login. Now here we have to enter our email address or phone number by which we have created our account. Then click on Next. As you can see in this page, it asks us for our password. What we need to do is tap on Forget Password option. Now click on Continue. Now we will get the code in our email to reset the password. Now enter the verification code that you have just received on your email, and once you have entered the code, tap on Submit. Now here you can create your new password. Simply type in your new password and then confirm the password. Once you have done that, click on Confirm and then tap on Login. And with that, you have successfully changed your Binance password. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.